Well, 54% of adult Americans are suffering with arthritis. And if you're looking for ways to find relief, we are going to help you out with that today. Dr. Sheetal DeCaria is with us today. Thank you so much for your time.
Of course.
It's pretty alarming to hear the number of people who really suffer from arthritis.
It is. And in fact, so many people are suffering from severe pain that have arthritis. They say over half of those 54 million actually have severe pain.
Wow. Okay. So we're going to talk ways that we can maybe reduce that inflammation causing that significant pain. Where do we get started on this, doctor?
The first thing I always tell my patients is that food really is medicine. And when it comes to chronic inflammation, especially in the case of arthritis, what you're eating can really impact how you're feeling. So I tell my patients, try to get an anti-inflammatory diet. So things like whole grains, lots of fruit and vegetables, trying to avoid processed and packaged foods. The studies show that that can greatly benefit osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and all sorts of painful conditions.
All right. And let's move on to spices because I know that swapping out some of these can really make a difference.
Yes, two of my favorites are turmeric or curcumin and ginger. So try to cook as liberally as you can with these two. If you do choose to actually supplement them, be sure to check with your doctor because they can cause interactions with blood thinning medications and some other medications you may be taking.
All right. Next, we want to talk about walking barefoot, which here in East Tennessee, we have lots of places we could do this. So I'm excited to hear about how this can help.
Yes, this is a concept called grounding. Now, the earth actually carries a negative charge, and we accumulate charges that can actually increase inflammation in our bodies. Now, our ancestors used to walk barefoot, connect with the earth, and actually be able to discharge those charges and regain like some balance. But unfortunately, now that we wear a lot of shoes with rubber soles, we're not connecting with the earth in that same way. So, really easy. Every day, about 15 or 20 minutes, try to just go outside, take off your shoes, maybe put your palms on the ground, and connect with the earth, and you should pretty quickly start to feel better.
I was going to say, this is the perfect time of year to do that as well.
Yes.
And maybe in the process, pick up some yoga because this can have a lot of benefits as well.
Absolutely. Studies have always shown that yoga helps chronic pain, and it actually has been shown to decrease biomarkers that are shown in inflammation. So, when you're practicing yoga, you're working on breathing, you're working on movement. It can help your joints and strengthen muscles. So, it has multiple benefits, especially in the case of arthritis.
Yeah, and you mentioned breathing, some techniques there that can benefit us as well.
Definitely. I always talk to my patients about breathing. What we tend to do day to day is take rapid, shallow breaths. Many of us are breathing like this, don't even realize it. Just taking a moment to pause and do some deep belly breaths. There's different techniques. One is alternate nose breathing, where you actually will just compress down one nostril, take a big deep breath through the other one, release that breath and switch sides. Things like that will focus on mindfulness, on breathing, and really just calm yourself down, decrease stress, and help with inflammation.
Oh, well, doctor, thank you so much. Some great advice today. And hopefully this will help our viewers at home. Where can they get some more information? Because I know that you have your book and you have lots of great resources for us. Fill us in on the best place to go.
Sure. So my website, revitalizewellnesscenter.com, actually has a free course right now on inflammation with a free ebook. People can head to the website, download that, and take a deeper dive into these kind of things.
Awesome. Well, thank you again. We really appreciate it.
You're
And
welcome.
for those of you at home, we will have a link to her site that she mentioned on our website, livingeasttennessee.com. All you have to do is click under the health and wellness section.